Hi there, students. Gut, guts, accountable noun. It could be singular as well, when it's uncountable, or as a verb to gut as well. And then gutsy as an adjective, gutsily, even an adverb. Okay, so guts are your entrails, your intestines, the bits inside you, your kidneys, your kidney, your liver, your stomach, all of these bits inside of you. So when you go to the market and buy a fish, you take the fish and you have to gut the fish as a verb, to take the guts out of the fish. Very often we use this word guts to mean courage. He's got a lot of guts. It took a lot of guts to say what he said to the boss. I was really impressed by him. Yeah, he's very gutsy, very brave. Yeah, and that's the idea of this. You could have a gut instinct. Yeah, this is an instinctive feeling, not something based on facts and logic, but you just know this is right. Yeah, it was my gut feeling that he wasn't telling the truth. Yeah, your gut feeling, if you know a lot about a subject, you should go with your gut feeling, because you're probably going to be right. So the gut, the digestive tract, yeah, your intestines, yeah, guts. He's got a lot of guts, yeah. He's brave. That was a very gutsy thing to do, yeah. Okay, let's see. If you play the guitar, or the violin, the strings are made of gut. They're normally, or they used to at least, be made of animal gut, animal intestines. Yeah. Okay, but guts. He's got a lot of guts. He's very brave. Yeah, he's a very brave person. Yeah. There are various idioms. So I bust a gut trying to get here. Yeah, I did absolutely everything I could to get here. It's like I broke my insides in order to do it. Or something that's gut wrenching. It causes a lot of difficulty. To wrench is to pull apart. So it's like something was twisting your guts. So seeing the children at their parents' funeral was gut wrenching. Yeah. You could say somebody was gutless. They've got no guts. They're an absolute coward. Yeah. So let's see. We can also use this word guts to talk about the inside of something. So I opened the clock and looked at the guts of the clock, the inner parts, the inner working bits. Yeah. You lift up the bonnet, in American hood, of the car, and you can see the guts, the intestines of the engine. You could also gut a building. So maybe you buy an old building that's in very bad condition. So you gut it. You take out everything that's inside. You take out everything that's not good. And then you rebuild it. Yeah, so they gutted the building. Notice as well, in British English, there's this informal word. I was gutted. I was really, really upset about this. I was really disappointed by what had happened. Yeah, I was gutted not to get the job. The players in the team were gutted when they lost in the final. Yeah, so they were really disappointed. Yeah, I was gutted to discover that my favourite shop was shut and they weren't ever going to open again. So let's go through again. That's quite a lot. So the bowels, the entrails, the intestines. Yeah, but normally in the plural. Fish guts. Yeah, the guts, the digestive tract of something, yeah, especially the intestines and the stomach, yeah. Catgut, used to make violin strings with, yeah. He's got a lot of guts. He's really brave, yeah. He's a very gutsy young man. She's a gutsy young lady. A gut feeling, a gut response. This is something that is automatic. You don't think about it, you just react to it. Yeah. I made a gut decision. I didn't think about it. I just went straight for it. Okay, to gut a building, to take out all of the bits inside that are broken, yeah, and remake it, to rebuild it, to refurbish it, if you like. To gut as a verb, to eviscerate, to take out the insides of something. So there you go, guts. Yeah, your gut instinct. What does your gut instinct tell you? Well, my gut instinct tells me that I should not do it. Yeah, yeah. It's just this feeling that you've got. Yeah, that you just know what to do. You don't have to think about it. Yeah. I guess you've got all sorts of flora and fauna, microbes in your gut, yeah, in your intestines, yeah, macrobiotics for your guts. Um, yeah, I say gut wrenching, something that upsets you a lot. It could be gut churning as well, to churn, move upwards and downwards. Yeah, but I think this is, well, it was a gut churning ride, but also gut churning, meaning gut wrenching, emotionally difficult for someone to do. So let's look at some formality with some of these meanings, because there are quite a few. Let's see, the guts, the intestines, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. To gut a fish, 5 informality, use anywhere as well. A gut feeling, a gut instinct, maybe 4. Don't use it in something very formal. To gut a building, 4.5 informality. Don't use it in something very formal. Somebody who's got a lot of guts is very brave. 4 informality. I think informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, just but no more. A gut-wrenching experience, 4.5 informality. Okay, and then we need to look at the origin of this word as well. Guts, this comes from Old English gut. Yeah, I'm talking about the entrails, which comes from Proto-Germanic gut, and from Proto-Indo-European gud, to paw. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.